Seawall inspection in Pompano Beach, 25th of August 2020, looking at the coral rock seawall that had batter piles and cap added to the top of the seawall. Seawall is showing multiple cracks, separation cracks, holes, and other things due to the fact that the seawall was not coated and reinforced. And you can see right here, very clear, this area. You can see this horizontal crack that just goes in, and I'll probe it and I'll just show you how far I can go in just by probing it. So that's about 20 inches. The seawall has got a lot of perforation in the coral rock. It has not been stuccoed for many years. It's not been coated, I would assume, at least 5. You can see all the perforation. You can see hairline cracks right here. These are old repairs. The coating was only done to the splash zone level, the recent coating, and the rest of it is, and also there's holes in the perforated in the sheets. It's just west of me. It's in the water. The water's a little murky right now, so it's not really going to be visible. Right here it starts the really serious cracks and damages in the coral rock. You can see right here the toe of the wall. This is where the footer is, and you can see holes actually in the coral rock, gaping. I mean, this is how far I can go in, which is over 2 feet, over 2.5 feet. You can see the diagonal crack going from the base, from the footer. Right here the footer is separated, so a new footer is definitely recommended for the seawall. And right here you can follow the crack. Look at all the spider cracks coming out of it, continuing up on the upper level, continuing. It's about a 30-foot section going down here with a horizontal, some more hairline cracks, entire separation of the footer, the original footer. You can see that the sheets are separated, and I could just put my thumb right in it. This is already separating from the original cap. Right here, going forward towards the east, and here you can see there's some, again, damages on the base, penetration of close to 2 feet. You can see right here how the crack just continues and goes down. These are the outlets, I guess, for some form of drainage, but there's no gutters on the roof, so I'm not really sure what it is draining, but there's no weep holes either. Right here it really goes into a separation. We're almost at the corner of the property. This is the last batter pile to the east. Look at the foundation of the wall, really on the, like, serious damage right here, and a lot of weight. The batter piles obviously are helping to hold the cap, but this is a gaping hole right at the east end, and it's right in line with the property end. And I mean, just to show you how far I can go right past this wall, past the cap, into the backyard, and that will cause serious erosion as time goes by. The batter piles and the cap are in good condition. However, significant work needs to be done on the actual coral rock wall. The dock is built lately. Galvanized was used instead of stainless. And the pilings that are new were never wrapped and protected, and the whole worm is already catching, the zebra clams already attaching themselves. These pilings should be cleaned and wrapped and protected. The seawall is plumb. It doesn't show any healing, but again, there's significant damage on the face of the coral rock in the lower section and the upper section of the wall. That about concludes it. This inspection was conducted by SeaMeDive in beautiful Pompano, South Florida.